Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Structures live course. And basically, this is just an announcement that I am starting this series very soon. Maybe from tomorrow onwards, if this live video, if the audio quality and everything is great, then we will start this series. And I have done a lot of research, and I found out that there are so many apps and websites that are actually giving this live sessions, and they are charging a lot from the students. So I thought, why not to start this series. So basically, the programming language is the first thing that I want to um, know at this point, in which programming language you want me to implement data structures. So basically, I have already given the, I've already written a community post on this channel, which you can see, and you will have to choose a programming language. There is a poll actually. You will have to just vote for any particular programming language. If you want me to implement the data structures in C++, Python or Java, you just have to go there on the community post. It's already there. You just have to um, give the vote, right? And according to that, I will choose which programming language to I will implement the data structures in, right? So basically, we will start from the very simple data structures like stacks, linked list. Uh, we are also getting some comments here. In which language, bro, do it in Java, Python. So there are a lot of people who are um, it will become a lot difficult for me to implement data structures in all these programming languages. So I will have to make a choice at this point. So the poll is there. The voting is already there on the community post. Whatever programming language you want me to implement, just write it there, right? So we will start with the basics of the stacks. Then we will start with very important things like linked list, and there are many other data structures like heaps and binary trees. There are so many data structures that we are going to understand, right? Now, what is special about this live series? See, I have already recorded a lot of videos on data structures in C++ and Python. So in that, we just record the videos and we left it up to the viewers to understand the concept. But in this live sessions, what we will do is, let's say I have picked stacks to teach you what is the basic idea behind the stacks. Then what we will do is, I will interact. I hope all the students who will come in these live courses, they can ask questions in this live stream only. And a very important thing is that it is free for all, right? So it's not like a premium membership or like that. Nothing. We will do the live stream on this channel only, and we will start with these data structures. We will also do the coding work, and I will explain you every data structure. I will explain you whatever your doubts are. So let me just reply to the comments here. Bro, after this DS course, do videos on Android development. See, also, I'm also planning to do a lot of videos on Android development, because we already have, I'm already, and I, this is from Mohammed Saddam Hussein. And um, are you from Birat Nagar? No, I'm from New Delhi. And basically, a lot of people are saying Android course also. So I'm planning to make a Android development course, but I can't do a live session on it, because it takes a lot of CPU resources, and the system that I'm currently on is not that much great, right? So this data structures course will include all the things like we will do. I will explain you everything about the data structure, time complexity analysis. We will also learn about that, right? So time complexity analysis. Now, what I want, what I expect, or what are the eligibility of this course, right? That is a very important point. So, whatever programming language I am going to choose on the basis of the voting, the eligibility is that you should know the basics of these data structures, right? For example, you should know what an array is, how to implement classes and objects. If you really want to implement these data basics, and also I will also clear some basics if you are struggling with in the live courses. That's the main essence of this live courses. And these courses are already recorded by me, and basically I'm continuing with the Python course on data structures. I have already created two playlists. C++ and Python is already there. So what you can do is, if you want to enjoy pre-recorded videos, they're already available for free on this channel, or you can download the Android app that I have created, which the link is in the description, right? So basically, this is an initiative that I'm taking. Basically, I'm taking this decision because a lot of students have come to me, and uh, they have done DM on Instagrams like, please do some live courses like on data structures, competitive programming. So that's the basic, right? Harshit Rathi, competitive coding questions also, please. Yeah, right. I know that there are a lot of applications which do these courses like competitive programming, and I have a very good plan. This is what I'm currently working on. I've taken a lot of time and a lot of research I've done in these things, right? So I'm starting the live data structures course, and if this course goes well, if coming and I get a good feedback, there are chances that I will do maybe 3 live streams in a month, sorry, in a week, right? 3 live streams I will do in a week, 1 week, out of which 2 live streams, LS 2 live streams will be related to data structures, and if possible, the third live stream will be related to competitive programming, right? So, a nice suggestion from Harshit. I really appreciate that you want to learn competitive programming. Bro, in which company you're working? I'm not working in a company. I'm currently studying. I am in the final year of um my graduation, right? So these are the things that we are trying to do. So make sure, it is very important. Make sure to vote in the poll in the community post. You can go to the community section of this channel. There is a community tab, right? Tab where you can vote for any of these programming languages. My Tanvar, I am waiting eagerly. Oh, I'm also waiting eagerly for this course. I was, trying to understand how to implement this, and now finally I've got some good equipment. So that's the main reason why I'm starting this. But I will start it from tomorrow. One important thing, very important thing that I'm going to ask right now is time. I want to know, uh, it's very important to know when you guys are ready for this course, right? I want to know what is the time when I should go live, right? So I want you to just tell me the time, and I can come live at that time, or there it should be convenient to most of the people on this channel. So I will have to ask it from you. uh, 5 to 6 evening. Okay, that's a great time. So I will just in the comments of this community tab, in the what is what okay, 5 to 6 is okay. Okay, I also think that 5 to 6 p.m. is a great time. I think most of the subscribers of the channel will be able to come on this live stream. So we will start with the coding. One important thing, make sure that you also download the required IDEs. For example, if the coding session is on Python, what I expect from you guys is that you should install the IDE, and I will suggest you that if this is going to be in Python, then make sure you have the Jupyter IDE, or because I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook for this implementation. And you can also use any other IDE, right? But for Python, I'm going to use Jupyter. If I will be doing in C++, I will tell you what IDE I'm going to use. So make sure that when this data structures live stream will start, you are already there with the ready with the IDE, right? So you should be ready. You should just get ready with all the required software, so that whenever I'm doing this live, you guys can also side by side, you guys can also practice, right? So it will become very good for you, because when we are doing competitive programming, what I expect from you guys is that you are also trying it on your PC. So side by side, watching it on the stream and implementing very great experience for all of you guys, right? So I think that's all for this announcement. This was the only announcement and the biggest change that I was thinking about for a long time, and I think now it is the time that I should implement this. So if you guys have any question, I'm going to answer it in the comments. So let me read the comments here. Okay, some people are saying uh, you can drop the time in the comment of this community post, right? It's already there in the 9 p.m. Okay, 9 p.m. So I will also have to decide the time also. It is also very confusing task. That's why I did this big announcement. That's why this is basically a test video, right? So when will the first video coming of DS? Tomorrow, right? The first video on DS will come tomorrow. We will start with the stacks, right? We will start with the introduction of stacks, and we will implement it in the IDE. So make sure to just give the time in the community section. I have already given a post there. You can check it out. And if you have any questions regarding this, like what are the eligibility criteria or anything like that, you can basically download the app Think Academy. This is really a very important step, because if you will download the app, we will connect through this app, right? So you will just have to update your profile, and just in the go to the messages tab, and just search for think, or just Thinkex. You will see my name here, and you can just send me a friend request, and I will accept your request, and then you can send me any questions or anything in your mind there, right? I will get connected to that. How will you intimate to us about class timings and schedule? That's a good question. I will have to decide the class timings. Bro, one small notification, your app get stuck sometime. Yes, I know. I have all the bugs in the latest update. Make sure you update to the latest version of 1.0.6. I have recently, today only I have updated it, right? Interesting things. Do it in Java, bro. Well, the Java is really a good option, because I haven't recorded videos in data structures in Java. I've done it in Python and C++, but I haven't done it in Java. But it all depends on you guys, your voting, because I cannot choose anything myself. I will have to go by the votes. All the subscribers who can vote, right? Uh, Mr. Logicoder, right? Is this a data structure of course only? Well, very good question. First of all, I believe that first thing is you will have to start with the data structures. So this whole series is going to be a combination of data structures and algorithms, right? We will do algorithms also, but because we will have to start with data structures. We will start with stacks, linked lists, binary trees. So after this all will be done, we will go to the algorithms. We will study the algorithms, right? So we have another question. DS will be great with C++ or Java. Basically, data structures, one important point about data structures is that you choose any programming language, C++, Python or Java. The main crux, the main idea behind these data structures remains the same. For example, if you want to study stacks, right? It has a basic idea that in a stack you will have to push the data elements, and then the pop should happen at the last element. You If you know a basic idea of how these uh, data structures work, then you can implement it in C++, Python or Java, right? So it will not be a that much big concern here. So even if you are not understanding, you can also see recorded videos. We already have all the codes in the Think Academy app, right? I am currently updating codes to the app, so you will be able to see it very in all the programming languages. So basically, uh, I think I should end this video. And if you have any other questions, you can always ask me on my Instagram handle or anywhere, right? So thank you for being in coming to this video. We'll see you in the next live session, which will be tomorrow. We will decide the time and I will put it in the community post. So make sure you get updated with that, right? So thank you everyone.